Our family-owned company has been based in Story County since it was founded in 1884. We pride ourselves on our high-quality job opportunities that offer employees the ability to grow in both knowledge and skill. This is how Story grows.
As the largest private sector employer in Story County, our worldwide impact gives us reason to continue to invest and grow in this community. This is how Story grows.
As a multinational health and nutrition company, our products in nearly everything that you consume. To meet this demand, DSM will continue to improve as we work to feed the world. This is how Story grows.
Originating in a home garage, our company continues to expand within the cultivation corridor and remain engaged in the communities.
To invest in the growing community, we kept our business local and expanded our operations in rural Story County. This is how Story grows.
3M has been a proud member of the Ames and Story County communities since we began operations in 1970. We've continued to invest in our operations and team, growing into a world-class abrasives manufacturer. This is how Story grows.
Our family business has been fortunate to call Story County home for the past 41 years. We are proud of our results-driven staff that takes any design challenge and provides custom manufacturing solutions to our diverse clientele. This is how Story grows.
As the northern anchor of Story County, we continue to cultivate our manufacturing footprint by offering our employees the ability to grow within our company. This is how Story grows.
Our Story County manufacturers help drive the economy through their historic growth, investment, hiring, and wages. It is truly an exciting time in Story County. As we continue to cultivate these relationships, the industry becomes more diverse, flooding the job market with career opportunities. Our communities employ over 9,000 people in manufacturing alone. This is how Story grows.